how to show that the points are collinear. Okay, before that, what is collinear? Collinear means that the points are lie in the same line. For example, point P, point Q, and point R. They lie in the same line. That means that they are collinear. For example, we have this question. Show that the points P 2-15, Q 606, and R 1428 are collinear. To show that these points are collinear, first we need to find the distance between the 3 points. We need to find the distance between these 3 points. To find the distance, we use this formula. Okay, let me show you how to find the distance between P and Q. So we have PQ and find the distance. X2, Y2, Z2 is the points in Q. X1, Y1, and Z1 is the points in P. So X is 6 minus 2 square plus 0 minus negative 1 square plus 6 minus 5 square. So we get the answer, which is 4 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. 6 minus 2, 4. 0 minus negative 1, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. And then square it. So we get 16 plus 1 plus 1, which is also equal to square root 18, and can be written as 3 square root 2. So the distance of P and Q is 3 square root 2. Okay, now we want to find the distance between Q and R using the same formula. But right now, the X2, Y2, and Z2 is the R. X1, Y1, and Z1 is the Q. Okay, so we got 14 minus 6 square plus 2 minus 0 square plus 8 minus 6 square. And equal to 14 minus 6 is 8 square plus 2 minus 0 is 2 square plus 8 minus 6 is also 2 square, which is also equal as 64 plus 4 plus 4. Also equal as 72 and can be written as 6 square root 2. So the distance between Q and R is 6 square root 2. Now we want to find the distance between P and R. Use the same formula, and we got 14 minus 2 square plus 2 minus negative 1 square plus 8 minus 5 square. So we got 144 plus 9 plus 9, which is also equal to 162 and can be written as 9 square root 2. Now we got the distance between P and R is 9 square root 2. So list down it. PQ is 3 square root 2. QR is 6 square root 2. And PR is 9 square root 2. Okay, to show that this is collinear, imagine it is in the same line. P, Q, R. So we got the distance between P and Q, which is 3 square root 2. And the distance between Q and R is 6 square root 2. So we got the distance between P and R, which is 9 square root 2. Okay, to prove that this is collinear, we need to add up the distance between PQ and QR. Is it the same as the distance between P and R? So let's find out. PQ plus QR. We got 3 square root 2 plus 6 square root 2, which is 9 square root 2. Wow, we got the answer. PR is also 9 square root 2. So basically, it is the same. Thus, it is shown that point P, Q, and R are collinear. Okay, so let me wrap it up. Why P, Q, and R are collinear? Because they are in the same line. Why they are in the same line? Because when we find the distance between P and Q and R, when we add up the distance, we got the same value as the distance between P and R, which is 9 square root 2. Thus, this shows that they are collinear, which is on the same line. That's all from me. Thank you.
O kita, ibo lupa subscribe and like. Okay.